Hi guys, how you doing? So I just finished a consultation, and actually the consultation inspired me to make this video about skincare routines and skincare in general and why is it really important. We are all very influenced by social media, TikTok, Instagram, and most importantly potentially friends referral. But sometimes the product that Instagram or TikTok is advertising, it might be amazing, but it might be amazing for your friend, your sister, your cousin, but not specifically for you. So what is the number one thing that we should really do before buying any products? Number one thing is to understand your skin type, your skin conditions, and then buy some products specifically designed for that condition. Sometimes when you're using products that they marketing as phenomenal, they probably are, but they're not for you. The only thing that they do, they will aggravate your skin, they will irritate your skin more, and actually they give you problems inside of a solution. So number one thing, understand your skin type, and understand your skin condition before buying any products. Have a lovely week and speak to you soon. Ciao.